Look at that rainbow. That's crazy. It's raining and we out here fishing. We're out here fishing. I'm trying to. You should cast it, Zero. Cast that shit. Let's show that sexy ass cast. It felt like right there. It was so beautiful, and then it landed right there. That looks like a piece of shit on there.
Worm jerky.
Worm jerky. And there we go. That's. Just get you some. Smell it in. Take it all in. Oh. And there's no fish. They're not here though. They're cold. That's why it's sprinkling. They're cold. This dude's about that life. Oh, that's a girl. What? It was like raining and stuff. She's just out here.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the
out here looking like fishermen, but we ain't caught shit yet. Nothing. Nothing. Now move locations. We're at a beach. Oh, that was weak. Weak. I want to see flames. Look at that kitten. That's when I gotta get. That's when I gotta get this shot. Right here. Do it again.
Daddy's going bye-bye. See you again.
Another one.
Another.
He won't go fast because his girl's in the car.
Red line that bitch. Yes, I am.
Ah!
Orgasm.
I fucks with her, yo.
Oh, fuck.
This dude straight up just. What is this dude doing? Look at that though.
The day is here already. I am certain I can beat you. You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Look at that. There's weed everywhere. Come to the lake more. There's weed everywhere.
Oh, fuck. Oh, you can't find it.